Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can charge your JBL 720BT, and it's like really simple. It's nothing difficult because the charging point is really hidden because it's nowhere here or here where you would locate it. It's actually right under the right side, and it's here. Do you see that? And all you have to do is plug it in, and then you just plug it. Show you like this, plug it in, and then what will happen is that when it's going to charge, let me show you. Do you see this red light there? So you know right now it's charging. So this is how you're going to charge it for the JBL Tune 720BT. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.